crisis, you see, our government plus, we don't.
যতন ফোন কাহাম 26 তারিখ ani Jampu Hill visit or an official visit. Tini singgo saimano tini Jampu Hill di belang sifo kaisa dispute tungi tongo. Awa thik dispute ya awa tipani bising tongmani onek bosor sangang tini history tongo. Awa tini was tower bo tongo. Te koita nogro dusnadap tongo. A balance sheet ni jaga no kisa confusion ng laika abang siang tiri find efika sungkot saiman obo border area Tripura ba Mizoram border aro besi bachini bururiang ro tongo te biju bu tongo aban to yoi sung DM SP SDM te kawang officers forest department ni DFU Pecini MLA Prem Poweriang place yang visit klaika visit klaim porego sengoro kabang ma ti local poro bache malaika jumbar nomor sengka oro tebe oro guest house ang joto oro ni chini miju leader miju convention leader rok te chini YMN leader nang boro bai meeting khaika ang poro nomor sengka te kabang ma oro Jampu Hill ni je kisa problem to mano to yang salaika tei boro kanjeng poro Nagrik Moncho boro bachini or miju convention dok jointly movement khaimaro mang saka ang boro detail sengka or jotto Jampu Hill ni jotto neta rok miju community ni borok phaika tei beriang community borok phaika haiklaigai ang miafra motamoti salaika tei DM bai bang hamke kok salaika ang khakago o issue no tei medele jeng si government protection sanai the joint survey makhlainai Mizoram government Tripura government tei si central government home department hoite ang koinai je joint survey khlaina bagai joint survey khlaigan ke jeng saimanai abo sabani area klaitong or kisa confusion tongo abono jeng jarana bagino ang khakago jini sarkar top theke ang initiative nilai ang borong saka as a leader I'll take initiative to sort out this issue abang ang khakago jeng outla thangai ang CM bai malainai namge jini Chief Minister Biplok Maddev boto home department moni out tongo besiba home department hoite abo tackle khaijaknai abagai ang khakago within short as soon as possible जों अमा issue no solve खालामनो गाहामनाय तामखारो किसा tension हायं तंखा नेने मिजु बुरुरियां ते चाकमा बर तंगो दागा बरन बिसिबो आं जनो साका जे we have to maintain peace and tranquility in the area obo government is samung obo ni beparia government will tackle the problem government will solve the problem obo kono miju riang chakmani issue ya that issue will be tackled by the government obang saka or Mizoram saka no kono or interpreter khaidi or government tackle khainai Mizoram government Tripura government the central government jeng three party jeng abono solve khainai hin barang saka abang barang saka basically Mizu ni orni leader dok abang kahake saka don't make any confusion among our community jeng oro joton peace maintain khainai peace and order should be maintained in the hill area. Whatever it happened, it will be sorted out by both the government, Tripura government as well as Mizoram government, the central government will interfere. Over haito onguno dispute ungo border area go abago emborno kaham khlai jini Mizu leader no te jini Buru leader no ang borbe kok salaika hambai.